Great, so now on to summarization. Using the same machine learning error logs, we can call the AI command with another prompt. This time, we're going to say, please summarize these error messages and describe why I might receive them. Of course, we're going to pass it the raw field in brackets at the end here for the external LLM to read. So let's go ahead and run this search. Once our search is completed, we're going to see our original time and raw field, along with a new field like AI result or AI output. Now, this field is the summary for that single event, and the value here is speed and clarity. Instead of having to go through every single line in the event and try to reverse engineer the cause, we can get an immediate explanation of what's going on. A couple of things to notice. First of all, we did no aggregation. Unlike the first example, this showcase is a per event summarization. It makes it ideal for scanning tables of logs and trying to understand exactly which one is roughly saying. Secondly, the output is in nice readable free text, which is great for us to read, but it's less ideal for automation and external tooling. If needed or if we wanted to, we could expand this to a structured JSON brief by adjusting our prompt if we wanted to feed it to a dashboard or an alert. And finally, because we're passing the raw text to a model, we should keep our prompts nice and short. So this demo uses a single line, which keeps our search latency and our API costs nice and predictable. Finally, when would we use a pattern like this? When I want a fast explanation to some messy events, or maybe I'm on call and need to quickly explain a slice of errors that I'm seeing. Perhaps you're training a new analyst and you want them to see both the raw and an explanation side by side. Of course, we're going to leave off with if this was sensitive data, we would point the same search to a local connection instead of an external LLM, so nothing sensitive leaves our network. The key takeaway here is what's the quickest possible path for a confusing log text to a what does this mean and why did it happen explanation without having to leave our search.